going on, everybody, and thanks for stopping by. I got a special video for you here today. Myself, my dad, and my brother, we went up to Mexico, upstate New York, back to the same spot where I'd gone in September to do some salmon fishing for kings. I didn't have my GoPro for that particular trip, but I definitely made sure to bring my GoPro for this trip. It was not... The weather sucked. I'm not gonna lie. The weather absolutely sucked. It was 20. Woke up on the way to the launch. It was 20 degrees, and it got to about 25 degrees, and it snowed all morning. I had really low hopes for what was how the day was gonna turn out, but the guys up at Dirty Goose Sport Fishing, they were super dialed in, and they were able to deliver. It was a pretty awesome day, and in no time at all, we were in the fish. So enough talking, and let's get into it.
Yeah, pull back nice and gentle when you do.
Go on steady, brother. You got all the time in the world right now.
Yeah.
What? Somebody's been bass fishing.
Yeah. It's a tournament-winning hook set.
Yeah. That's Van Dam.
Yeah.
Nice starter fish.
There you go.
You catch a bluegill stand.
Yeah.
Point.
Don't drill no more.
Woo!
All right.
Nice.
Break the ice.
Good way to start the day.
Yeah. Nice fish.
Yeah.
Certainly bigger than what they do in PA.
Yeah, just 1, 2, 3 inches.
Got the hardest one out of the way, the first one.
That's right.
There you go, man. Want pictures?
We'll get them at the end. I'm
Okay.
good.
Get a picture. Come on, man.
I see dog tag hanging down there at your foot. You got it. Only both hands for a minute.
There you go. Beautiful.
Sweet.
He's right on the surface.
What's that? Yeah.
Come on, Papa. Yeah, it's a nice one. Walk back.
Yep, just take a couple steps back.
Woo!
Hey, get a picture in there.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Nice one. Brother, get it there.
All right, give me a second.
Oh, it's a good one.
That's funny because they got that same one right on
Huh?
So it's gonna be a good one.
Got another one? Get up there.
Oh,
Get up there.
Looks like
Beautiful.
Hell yeah.
No?
I popped.
Yeah. You guys are staying down.
I don't like getting tangled up.
Yeah, yeah. I don't blame you. Sit here for 5 minutes.
Not too bad.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Nice and gentle.
Oh, that's another nice one.
Alright, me and you walk back, lift up. I got the rod
Woo!
for you.
All right.
Beautiful. That's a nice one.
Take them. Take what the good Lord gives us today with this crap.
Absolutely. Get in there and grab your picture.
We're rocking and rolling.
Got him? Come on.
Got a little,
Look, this guy's been bit.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ready? There you go.
This guy's been chomped on.
A little lamprey.
Yeah, lamprey. They've been bad this year.
We
Yeah.
have them in the.
You-
We have them in the Delaware.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Got them up as the all the way up to East Stroudsburg.
Come on. No, that's gonna be one of our better quality ones there.
Yeah.
Oh, he's acting.
As you were saying about the trout with the stripers, the guys go up and fish for in Lackawaxen and in the Broadhead. When they stock for the trout in the streams there, the stripers come in from the Delaware up into the rivers chasing the trout.
Okay, keep rolling.
Oh yeah, keep reeling.
Yeah.
Yep, this is leg sore, and that's just the leader head.
Oh, you're shortly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I
okay.
can see it now, it's right there.
Not done yet.
Nope.
You're running on back to big.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Oh yeah.
Take the reel down. There you go. Coming up.
Oh.
That one's got some shoulders.
Yeah, it's got some spunk to it.
Keep coming up. Let him fight, let him fight. Alright, big reel down. Big reel down. Keep coming just like that. Keep his head up. I got you. One more time. There you go. Now lift up.
Woo!
Go.
There you go.
Yeah. That's a nice,
good one.
that's a beautiful fish. Oh man.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Nice football.
Yep.
Oh, nice and gentle.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna reel that bit right to the tip of the rod and take a couple steps back.
Woo!
Awesome, awesome. Here we go. I'll steal the rod from you.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't have to reel much on that.
No, no.
Those ones are close.
Very nice.
Ah, it's all good.
There we go.
A double.
That's a nice one.
Nice and gentle.
All I had to do was fucking disappear.
Now, if you had a further arm, you would have
Got your GoPro on?
Yep.
Roll that other shit without going. Inside one of this one's not pretty good, so.
You want me to walk to the right?
Nope, you're good wherever you're at.
short liner.
I'm gonna back up.
Nice and gentle, that's a nice one.
That's a very nice.
Let him fight, let him fight.
Stay right there for a second.
Stay there.
Reel down right to that guy.
Okay, now lift up.
Woo!
I got the rod.
That's a beaut.
Double dip.
It's a whitefish, it's a whitefish.
Oh, a what?
Alright, just lift up. Good for smoking.
All right.
Catch a whitefish.
You got a whitefish, yeah.
Put that in
That's
the
not a
smoker.
keeper.
Yeah, I'll smoke that all day.
Okay.
Yeah, you want good smoking fish?
Oh, yeah.
That's some bitch right there.
He
Good
has
for
a smoker,
smoking.
so I guess that's going home with you.
Yeah, I'll smoke that all day.
You want to put it in the rod holder or something? Yeah, that fish right there. He's fucking delicious.
How do you do them?
Gut him, gill him, smoke him.
All right, just hold.
Picture. That's a nice brown trout. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
that's beauty. That's a nicer fish too.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Nice and gentle with him.
That would have been something to catch on GoPro.
Yeah, yeah,
Where were you asleep?
yeah. Cameraman was taking a break.
Yep.
Yep, real. Alright, just lift up. Way up. Keep lifting, I got you. Nice.
There we go.
All right.
Nicely done.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
That was awesome.
The last time you had that happen.
Yeah. All right, so provide some context for what just happened there because I was sleeping on the camera. The mate was reeling the line in pretty much as fast as he could just to do a lure change on that rod. And as he was reeling that lure in, that trout came up and smacked it.
Oh. Oh, and that's I was like, he's running.
Yeah.
I was like, wait a minute.
What is that?
That's that crush L life.
Locked up. Got a drag puller here. Chinook diver. Oh. Are you having fun?
Can't get any better than this.
How you fellas doing?
Oh, that's a great day.
Great day. Run the line out.
Yeah, good one.
That was a nice one.
Yeah. That ain't no show drag.
No.
Yeah. Oh, there goes this boat speed. Speedboat before it's hard.
Going good.
Oh.
One we want.
Oh, yeah.
Big reel down right now. Okay, just lift up.
Holy cow. Dad, walk back.
No, not yet.
Let him. Don't. Oh.
Now pull up nice and slow.
Keep lifting, keep lifting, keep lifting.
There we go. Woo! Oh,
yeah,
baby.
Sorry about the. That's a good one there.
There we go. All right.
There you go, buddy.
High five, high five.
That's a, that's a 10 to 12
That's a good
pounder.
one.
Yeah.
That's a nice
Holy rip.
There we go.
Look at that beauty.
That's a nice one. Now that is a square tail.
A
little bit this way.
Nice color on them.
Oh,
Really dark brown.
yeah.
All right. Take your time, Dan. Let him do his thing.
Yeah, don't horse it.
I'm not.
All right.
Yeah, that's a beaut.
Rigger.
Yep.
Male colored up still.
Oh, yeah.
Clean up. Pull him back this way, Dan. I'm trying.
Go down, old boy. Gentle up. Go down, old. Gentle up.
That's a beauty.
Woo!
That's a beauty.
Oh, man.
That's a beauty.
Oh, man. Look at the colors on that guy.
Yes, sir. That's a beauty.
Hey.
And golden colors for this
Yeah.
freaking snow is, oh my god.
Jeez, that's a beautiful fish. And a little lamprey.
Yeah, you got a lamprey. Look what we got.
Yeah.
We got a little passenger.
Well, I can't say enough good things about the guys at Dirty Goose Sport Fishing. You know, we limited out in 3 hours. We went out at 7:30 and we were back at 10:30. We, you know, it was each of us got 3 browns and we had one bycatch of a whitefish, which I've never seen a whitefish, so that was pretty awesome. That was pretty awesome, pretty cool to see. And it was a super ambitious whitefish because it bit on like a 4-inch spoon, and they don't have a very big mouth. But from what the mate said, that they are extremely good when you smoke them. So that might be an upcoming catch cook type deal. Gonna put that on the smoker and see what happens. But yeah, like I said, I can't say enough good things about Dirty Goose Sport Fishing. Very professional, very good, very dialed in at what they do, and I will definitely be going back there. Probably going to be going back in August for another salmon trip. I'm going to link their Facebook page down in the bio, so you know if you're interested in going up there, upstate New York, Oswego, you know Mexico, Pulaski area of New York, definitely give them a shot. You know they're you'll get fish. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you next time.